Claude code's source code got leaked. How did this happen? It happened with its npm package. To be precise, version 2.1.88. Well, some smart software engineers got to know that in its build, its source map file was actually visible. And do you know what a source map file is? That's pretty much your whole code base being free and open source.
Yeah, boy.
What do you think these smart human beings will do? It's pretty damn simple. They pretty much put the code on GitHub. But as a 384 billion company as you, Anthropic, you'll be smart enough to do something crazy. And those crazy things are DMCA takedowns. Basically making sure that no one would actually put the code on GitHub. But software engineers, we are very, very smart. So do you know what some people did? First of all, one of the tricks that some people did for Claude code, source code to be forked and used on GitHub is, first of all, someone created a project called Claude. And with Claude, what they did was that they made sure that this Claude code, source code, is in Python and in Rust. And of course, I know what you'll be thinking of. If someone gets this juicy source code, for sure that he's going to make sure that this source code will work with pretty much any AI provider instead of Claude. So what did some smart person do? If you go to this guy's Twitter post, that's GitLab, you got to see that with his smart intelligence, he has created a project called OpenClaude. But to think of this, do you think a $384 billion company will just make such a silly mistake like this? By their source map file just got leaked. I guess partly it is not their fault. Let me show you why. This is because some few weeks back, there was this issue on GitHub from bang.js, and this issue is pretty much more or less like source map files are incorrectly served when used in production. So this was an issue on GitHub just a few weeks back before this news got leaked, and looks like our biggest victim was Anthropic, kind of. And do you know who owns bang.js? Of course, Anthropic. So looks like yeah. But if you want to see more content like this, just subscribe and see you in the next video. Have a good time, guys. Bye bye.